Hi guys, today we will talk about how to add media when roaming on your WhatsApp app. We will go to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your WhatsApp app. So you just go up here, you click here on the sign here and this step, then it's going to show for you a window like this. And you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here. And all you have to do now, just click here on storage and data here, then it's going to take you here in this window, and you just click here when roaming here, you will click, then here you can choose media you want to add when roaming here in this window. So just click on documents or videos or audio or photos, and you click here on OK. If you want to add all, it's just choose it like this, and you click here on OK, and it's going to add video. If you don't, you just let's it like this, and you click here on OK. It's going to save video. I wish you know I get it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.